howdy, I'm Donna. And yes, it's me, I'm back. Super excited to be back. It's been a while, it's been a long time, about 8 months. And I bet you're wondering, where is she going? Where has she been? Basically, I got a job and it's been taking a lot of my time, and my free time I do have is spent doing things around the house, laundry, cooking, food shopping. Like, do we need to eat? I think we do. And spending time with Batman. I really have missed making videos and I really want to come back to YouTube. I've been seeing that even though I haven't posted, people have been subscribing and liking, and even though I'm not present, you guys are, and it makes me want to come back and it makes me want to try and make some more videos for you guys. I will figure it out, I will make it happen, and I will do what I can. I'm not gonna promise that I'll be posting regularly like I was, like maybe one video a week, maybe a couple every so often, but I wanna come back strong and I wanna try different stuff on this channel. Maybe let's plays or some reaction videos. I don't know, just whatever I feel like doing, because this is a fun and creative space and I want to be creative, and I miss that, and I missed you guys. A little quick update, besides me getting the job, I also lost 40 pounds, which is like pretty awesome. I feel good and I'm really happy about it. That's pretty much what's been going on here. Not really much besides me getting the job and losing the weight. Batman's good and he'll be joining me in some videos, as always. If you want to see more videos with me, like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. Or you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at BubblyDonut23. Thanks for watching. Bye.